Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green line here is coming from at 75 cents. And that came into play a little bit this morning. I mean, didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree price got relatively close to that area. But moral of the story there is that remains that key level of support going forward down there at 75 cents. Now, I'm not going to go into, why 75 cents is important. If you're curious on why 75 is so important, then like I said, you can just go back in the video archives and watch a video I did on Friday for this one. But like I said, 75 cents, for time's sake, is just going to, be that main level to watch moving forward. But given that the price did recover nicely and started to work its way back upwards, a very pressing, a very logical question would be, okay, yeah, the price is starting to work its way back upwards. It recovered very nicely after being down at, right around 75 cents this morning. So where are some of these main levels of resistance at? And the first key level of resistance, if there is going to be any sort of upwards movement further, is going to be right there at 90 cents. And nothing fancy behind that. That's just simply where the party stopped earlier on in the day. So 90 cents is going to be that initial level to watch very closely. If the price can push up through that area, then the next key level of resistance to watch would be up there, and nothing fancy behind this, but at the dollar mark. That's just a psychological level always. So 90 cents and $1 are going to be those two main levels to watch going forward. But overall, that'll be the overall movements as far as the battlegrounds are concerned. From the big picture point of view, though, the trend is still very, very clearly up. I mean, you look at that range and now this current range, and not to insult your intelligence, but each one of these ranges continues to get higher and higher. And that's what you want to see from the big picture perspective, just overall higher lows, and that's what's still in play here. So the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.